Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make Keri Ki Chatni. Gather ripe raw mangoes, jaggery, red chili, roasted mustard, salt, and a splash of lemon juice. Wash and peel mangoes, then chop into small cubes for quick cooking. Cook gently with jaggery and spices until thick and glossy, stirring to avoid sticking. Cool completely before transferring to a clean jar for best freshness and flavor. In this video, I will show how to make Keri Ki Chatni. Measure 2 raw mangoes, 150 g jaggery, 1 tsp red chili, and 1 tsp roasted mustard. Prepare 1 tsp salt and 1 tablespoon lemon juice to finish the balance of flavors. Heat 1 tablespoon oil for a quick tempering of mustard seeds and curry leaves to add aroma. Use a blender if you prefer a smoother texture, and jar it when cool. In this video, I will show how to make Keri Ki Chatni. Start by heating 1 tablespoon oil and frying chopped mangoes until soft and slightly caramelized. Stir in jaggery and 1 tsp roasted mustard, then simmer gently until thick and glossy, stirring often to prevent burning. Taste and add lemon juice and salt to balance sweetness and acidity. Cool fully before transferring to an airtight jar to preserve flavor and shelf life.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.